own private air show going on, y'all. Check this out. I got some eagles. Circle. I see they got my own private air show going on. They were just perfectly doing it over my head. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, that's dope. They just going in a circle. That's deep. Well, not deep. That's what they do. My grandfather used to say, "Why fly with buzzards when you can soar with eagles?" Stay away from the buzzards. Just thought that was dope. Why soar with buzzards when you can fly with eagles? He ain't tired. He just gliding up there. That's dope. That is dope. I thought so. Yeah, I'm just coasting up there. And he's gone. Enjoy Mother Nature. Still out here. She tired. Enjoy life. Smell the flowers sometimes, man. Sit back and reflect. Think about how you can better yourself, better your situation. Get your grind tighter, your mind righter. So that you can be the best version of you. That's important. Make today count, y'all.